veneer peeling machine's function is processing wood into veneer. Its standard size is 4 feet and 8 feet. Also, we can customize. The related machine is Wood Debarker, veneer stacker. For keeping veneer quality good, we focus on each production step. Heavy-duty make machine very stable. The precise feed screw makes your veneer thickness accurate. The roller is chromed. Long lifespan. Big power can offer powerful energy to driving machine process hard work. Our main products include Wood Log Debarker, Veneer Peeling Machine, Vacuum Veneer Stacker, Veneer Dryer Machine, Plywood Cold Press Machine, Plywood Hot Press Machine, Glue Spreader, Glue Mixing Machine, Automatic Plywood Veneer Paving Line, Plywood Cutting Machine, Lift Table, Sanding Machine. Use us. You need not worry anything. We will help you arrange all. We will offer you the better and suitable machine. 2 years warranty, professional technical team at your service anytime, and hope that build a good and long time cooperation.